Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world, guys. Okay, guys, today is a new day. Okay, and today as you know, we have a lot of matches that is going to play today. Okay, and I'm going to share with you my own bet slip so that we can all try to win our bet of the day in a very easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, if only you are new here, okay, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new video, guys. Okay, as you know, yesterday out of 6 matches we have 5 matches who won. Okay, guys, and it is only the Newcastle match that have come and spoiled our bets, spoil the day. Okay, guys, but we was having 5 matches who won out of 6. Okay, guys, so today again we are going to select some very cool bet slip that is going to help us to win our bet and spend a very good day. Okay, guys, so as you know, guys, I always like to repeat it. Okay, when you are going to when you are going to place a bet, always take an amount of money that you are ready to lose. Okay, it is very important. Okay, because there is no 100% safe bet slip. Okay, if someone told you that he have 100% safe bet slip, that person is just lying to you. Okay, there can never be 100% safe bet slip. Okay, everything can change in any time in any match. Okay, so always take an amount of money that you are ready to lose. It is very important, guys. Okay, so and those of you who really wanted to secure their account, guys, okay, the best thing to secure your account is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP. This promo code will allow you to secure your account, guys. Okay, whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw your money without facing any issue, guys. It is the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys. Okay, it is the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Okay, let's go and select our matches. Okay, let's come to England. Okay, let's click on in England and let's come to championship here. Okay, then let's come let's come here to Leicester, this match. Okay, here let's select this match. Okay, and then here the first remark that we can do here is that the home team have more chance to win this match. Okay, and the away team, the second team, is very weak. Okay, so here we are not going to worry ourselves. Okay, we come this side. Okay, and we select the corners section. Okay, let's select the corner section. Okay, and here, okay, we select the corners first half. Okay, guys, corners first half. Okay, guys, and we select this option. Okay, I don't know why the option is not available now. I don't know why. Okay, so let's select it. Oh, okay, the option is not available now, but this the option. You come back later and select the option. Okay, by selecting this option, we are just saying that, okay, this team is going to win the corners in the first half. Okay, as you can see, that this team is very strong. Okay, and we know that at the first half, this team is going to have the possession during the first half. Okay, so because they will have the possession, they will get more chance to create corners during the first half. Okay, so we just select this option. Okay, and but for now the option, as you can see, is not available. We'll come back later and select it. Okay, guys, let's go for our second match. Then we select South here, this match. Okay, Cardiff City and Southampton. Okay, then let's select it. Let's do the same thing. Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's go to the corner section. Okay, and let's select sorry, guys, let's select corners first half. Okay, corners first half. Okay, let's select it, let's click on it, and then we do the same thing here. Okay, we also know that this team is going to be a very strong team. Okay, and we are sure that this team is going to have the possession during the first half. So it is going to be very difficult for the home team to win the corners during the first half here, because we can see that the home team here is going to have the possession during the first half. Okay, so here too we select this option. Okay, here the option is available. Then let's go back to our previous match and check whether the option is available. Okay, here too now the option is available, so we also select here win one. Okay guys, win one. Okay, and then let's come. As you can see here guys, we have a total odd of 2. Okay, we have 2 matches and we have a total odd of 2. Okay, and this is enough for us to stake our first bet slip. Okay, so a first person can just take this bet slip, okay, and win his bet in a very easy way guys. Okay, so let me save it for you guys. Okay, as you can see here, we have the code guys. Okay, you can take this code and copy it and paste in your code in your bet in one bet, and then you can have the same bet, so that we all try to win our bet in a very easy way today. Okay, so let's go and find another bet guys. Okay, let's go back, then let's come to Germany. Okay, let's go to Germany. Okay, let's select the Bundesliga. Okay, and then let's find this, let's take this, let's come down guys, please. I'm sorry, let's select this option. Okay, let's select this option. Here too, the first remark that we can do here is that the away team is very strong, is very strong. Okay, and the second team is going to have the possession during this match. Okay, and also the home team is very weak. Okay, here for the home team to have the possession during this match is going to be very hard for them. Okay, and so here too we are going to do the same thing. Let's go to the corners section. Okay, we are going to play a lot today with the corners. Okay, so let's come to the corner section, and then let's come down, and here let's find the next corners. Okay, here we select, as you can see here, they are here team to take next corner. Okay, and we select this option here. Okay, next corner 1 team 2, because we know that the team 2 is going to have the possession. Okay, and it is going to be very hard for the home team to get the first corner, because they will not going to have the possession during the first half and during the match here. Okay, so let's select this, let's come out, and let's find our last match. Okay, let's come to Italy here, and we select this option. Okay, let's come. Okay, this is our match. Okay, this is our match guys. Okay, here too guys, we know that we can see here, okay, that this match is going to be a very hard match. Okay, because the two teams have almost the same odds. Okay, this match is going to be a very hard match. Okay, so now what we are going to do, and because we know in almost all the matches the home team always have a little bit favor. Okay, because the home team is always playing home. Mentally the home team will always have a favor. So what you are going to do now, we come down. Okay, we find the handicap here, we select the handicap. Okay, the handicap, and we select this option here. Okay, I'm coming guys. I'm coming. Where is this? I'm sorry guys, it's not this, it's the European handicap. Sorry guys, we come to the European handicap here. Okay, then we select this option here. Okay, select this option. Okay, because we know that the two teams have almost the same level, and also we know that more in the majority of the matches, okay, the teams that are playing home, mentally they have some advantage. Okay, they have the advantage of the mentality. Okay, because they will not let the second team to come in their home and to win them very easily. Okay, so they will do their best as they are playing home to not lose the match. Okay, so we have selected this option here. Okay, this option simply means that the home team, before the match start, the home team is leading by 1-0. Okay, already. So if at the end of this match the two teams play draw, we win our bet. If there's draw in this match, whatever the score, if there is draw, we win our match. Okay, if the home team win the match, we also win. Okay, it's very easy. So here the only way we can lose our bet, it is only at the end of the match the second team won 2-0, 3-0. Okay, this is the only way we can lose our match. Okay, so let's select it. Okay, let's go back. Okay, and let's delete our previous selection. Okay, here too guys, as you can see, we have a total odd of 2. Okay, 218, and this is also enough for us to win our bet. Okay, so let me also save this, okay, for you guys. Okay, so this is the code of the bet slip. Okay, this is the code of the bet slip. Okay guys, so let's all try to win our let's all stake and some amount of money that we are ready to lose. Okay, because we know that no one is 100%, nothing is 100% sure on sport betting. Okay, the only thing we can do is to do our best and find the best matches. Okay, so guys, this is all I wanted to share with you today. Okay, take care of yourself and have a nice day. Ciao.